So the transcapular Y view is essentially a lateral projection of the shoulder joint or the shoulder girdle. So what we're trying to do for this projection is actually bring the scapula into a lateral position. So in this position, what we can see with the patient from the back is that we can see the posterior aspect of the scapula, and the anterior aspect is of course on the other side. So when we position the patient, we're turning them so that we can see the profile of the scapula or the side of the scapula. So what we need to do to see the side of the scapula is we're going to turn the patient so that the two sides, the medial and the lateral borders of the scapula, are superimposed. So if you watch the green line and the red line, I'm going to turn the patient a little bit this way. And what you're seeing is that the two lines are getting a bit closer together, aren't they? So now they're only this far apart. And as I move him more, as I rotate the patient more, the lines are getting closer and closer together until what we actually see are the two lines superimposed. Obviously we can't see through bone, so the red line of the lateral border of the scapula is immediately superimposed or behind the green line or the medial border of the scapula. And that's our goal for this projection. So I'm just going to let go of the skeleton and take a step back. And what you'll see is that the skeleton is actually in an RAO position. So his right anterior oblique aspect is the closest to the IR. So for a Y view of the right shoulder, what we need is an RAO position.